welcome to the channel. What's going on? Okay guys, this is the second episode of how to play your guitar faster. In the first episode, we saw how to practice your right hand, okay? And I'll leave the link in the description down below, okay? And in this episode, we will see how to practice your left hand, okay? So stick around and let's get started. Okay guys, check it out. The first thing you have to try to do is to maintain your fingers straight on the fingerboard, okay, like this. And basically what I have to do is to do some hammer-ons, okay. The first hammer-on is here at the 13th fret and 14th fret, and then do a hammer-on here with the A string at the 16th fret, and then again do another hammer-on with the 13th fret, 14th fret, and then here at the D string, 16th fret, another hammer-on. And the first movement is like this, okay. Again, down one string and go here at the G string and repeat the same movement you done before, okay, like this, okay. 13th fret, 14th fret, the first hammer-on, then here at the D string, 16th fret, another hammer-on, and then 13th fret, 14th fret, and 16th fret, another hammer-ons, okay. Again. Then guys, you change a little bit the movement here at the B string. You do hammer-on here at the 14th fret and 16th fret, and then at the G string we'll do another hammer-on at the 16th fret here, okay, like this. And then repeat the hammer-on with the 14th fret and 16th fret, and then do a hammer-on at the 17th fret, like this. The whole movement. Okay, and then the last movement here at the E string, okay. Do a hammer-on again with the 14th fret and the 16th fret, and then do a hammer-on here at the B string, 17th fret, okay, like this. And then repeat the same hammer-on here at the 14th fret and 16th fret, and do a hammer-on with the 16th fret and 17th fret at the E string, okay, like this. The whole movement. Again, okay, again. And the whole exercise will be like this. Okay, again. And you can speed up since you get practice with this exercise, okay guys. And I know this seems so a little difficult at the beginning, but insist, okay, and you feel more comfortable with this exercise, and practice, okay guys. Okay guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it and it helps you. If so, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already, because that's great for me and I really appreciate your support guys. and let me know in the comments below what you thought about it, okay? Otherwise, thanks a lot for watching, and remember that you want me to succeed. Keep safe, mind the gap, and I'll see you next video.